this release, we have two new features. The first is the ability to access parent records in complex web API structures easily. The second is that we now show the name of missing flow parts after you delete them. In a web API, if you are syncing information which has a complex structure, like here where we are getting customer information from an API, and the returning data is a complex structure of nested arrays, in this case customer, which has orders, in which there are order lines, in which there are products with information, we now have made it far simpler to access this information. If you have a repeat action, like here, we repeat through the product, so that's a list of products which have order lines and orders of the customer. We can now very easily access the information from our web API. So here we have the current record, which is the product. It has a parent record, which would be the order line, which has a parent record, which is the order, which has a parent record, which is the customer. And in this way, it's far easier to store information that comes from these complex web APIs in your Triggre application. The second feature that we have is that we now keep the names of flow parts after you delete them from your flow parts. So, for example, we have a customer information automation flow here, which uses our get customer information from API flow. If we go back and we remove this flow part, we will now see that the name of the flow part will still be available, which makes it far easier for you to determine what was supposed to go here after you delete something.